And go live. Hi everyone. It should work. Everything should work. So I am doing some quick report on what I've already done off screen. It was a lot uh, between between the last stream and this stream. I'm sorry, but I just didn't have. Mm, I don't know how to say it. Probably like it. Never mind. So, you already can see that I have done something. I don't have a weapon, don't hold weapon for some reason, and there is a hotbar, but the hotbar doesn't work, and or it doesn't work how I want it to work. But that's like all from what what you can see actually in the game. But then the most progress I've made in the code, I have rearranged it to some smaller scripts, and I will I will work on that on this stream too. So, so what I added next, the inventory you can already you the inventory I had the inventory on the last stream too, but now if I do hover the cursor on wait please, I will close my doors. I'm back. I must check something. Ooh. Okay, the microphone. Okay. So, if I hover the cursor above some of the weapons or items, voila, it has a tooltip that is moving. You can read what I wrote there, like I can say it. I oh, I uh, so I can right click for equip to equip the weapon. So now I have the weapon that you have seen, but now the weapon isn't static. Like you can have more weapons than just the Glock. And if I shoot, there is a recoil. That's like nice. And the shooting of the Glock isn't like changed. Maybe the bullets are slowing down over time, and they are over time smaller and smaller. But now, if I equip a shotgun, the shotgun, oh, and I can drag this like normally. The hotbar just works like this. So anyway, if I drag the shotgun, equip the shotgun, now I have the shotgun, and the shotgun has a recoil, big recoil. That's first thing. And the second thing, it shoots more bullets at once. So what if I shoot? So what will what will be if I shoot? 1717. You can see that. You can't see that. So if I shoot, boom. It works. It just works. And I'm proud of that. It's like nice. You can see like the bullets are smaller and smaller. And the recoil is definitely bigger. So now we have for each weapon, each item, another stats. Oh, my mouse is just glitching. Huh? And I will use my secondary mouse. Wait a minute, please. Okay, I'm back. So the secondary mouse is... It works. So that's like visually all that I've made. I think there isn't more things I can if I do the H I can respawn, but that I think that we made in one of the past streams. So now we have the HUD script, and it's all like commented out because I moved it in another script. So this is the script I wanted to make shorter. You see why. You can see why. So now we have more scripts. The hotbar script, the inventory script, the tooltips. We will have the tooltip script and the UI bars like the health bar script. But the HUD is important like now is important too, because with the UHD we can connect these all into like one. Like if I want with player connect to some function in inventory, I need to connect to function in HUD. The function in HUD is the signal. Wait. To the signal in the HUD, which is called when it receives a signal from the inventory. That's what I think I need to do. And I have done. Okay, if I unpause the music player, you should not hear that because of copyright. Wait, please. Okay, you can't hear that. So now, huh? Somebody just, someone, huh? What was that? 1722. Yes, that was the thing that. Okay. I will rearrange the sound. Okay. So, this is working, but I don't want it to be like I can equip the weapon from the inventory. I want to just do it like this, and then with mouse wheel I can swap the I can like in Minecraft I can just switch the slots, uh, the current slot in hotbar. So I will. What now? Huh? Yes, this there. The Discord. By the way, if you want to support me, you can subscribe or you can join my Discord channel. Like support me in the game making, in the game dev industry. Yeah, and the bullets are when they disappear, like visually they disappear. Uh, Even like so it doesn't lag the game over time. Okay. And the tooltip and the equip doesn't work in the hotbar even when the inventory is on. I need to drag the items here so I can equip them. So I will do the I will hmm so just watch and teach me if you want to save me some time by knowing what should I do and what is better for me in my scenario. So, I will just that okay. Okay. I will do. This is the right click for equip thing, so now it doesn't show up. Because I don't want it to show up. On item used. The item used signal is usable even if I don't want to equip the weapon like from the don't know how to how to say it. Okay, so we need I'm don't so so I need what do I need? Do I have some only Krita? Mm, what's this program? Okay, I can't focus because I'm streaming. So what do I need? I need some sort of mechanic that is scrolling in the hotbar. Okay. Current slot. How do I say it's like from it's from from 0 to 4 if there is 5. I know it's something like oh, I love this song. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Where is it? Player? Switch weapon. Switch weapon. There. Current weapon index. It's just float. And there is the array of the items. Okay. So the player is the source of truth. I learned from ChatGPT. So in the player, I will do the switching from the weapons, and in the hotbar, I will and in the hotbar, I will just show what slot in the hotbar is what weapon I have equipped. So add weapon, equip weapon. Equip weapon. Weapons index. I can use that. I just can't focus. Focus. Nah, I'm sorry. So, weapons. That's okay. Hotbar slots. And it's weapon data. Current hotbar index. That's a lot of weapons size. Hotbar slots. Okay, in the weapon script I will show even if I have like apple for healing or something like this, I will show it in the weapon. Okay, equip weapon, current hotbar index. Direction, switch weapon. Okay. So now we on input on like next weapon like the mouse wheel up, we call this function that will plus that will change the current hotbar index, and then it will call function equip weapon with the index. Equip weapon is here. So the index and hotbar slots, okay. And then it calls the equip. Okay, it equips like, the equip is like, okay. Now I need the hotbar slots dot size. The array hotbar slots. Array weapon data. All the weapons in the game. No. Ah. Which so the hotbar slots. Now I need to add the weapon data items. That's on the when I swap items from it should not work. It works. It works. I thought it will just crash, but doesn't. Okay. So I can show what I need. Or maybe not. So when it swaps slot from inventory, when it from inventory, hmm. Hmm. Okay, I will try to explain it to ChatGPT. Ah, how do I ask ChatGPT? that, um, that could be another. So, if you have any idea how to do the... Okay. I'm sorry. Uh, I have some cheating with Discord to do. Okay, if you have an idea how to make the slot work properly, like I can scroll with mouse wheel so it can switch from the slots like in Minecraft or something. I'm sorry, you can't hear that probably. Okay. Never mind. So, I need to ask ChatGPT. But I don't know how to do the message so it will work. So give me some time, please. Ah! Okay, again. Okay. I... ah... Uh... Si číslo ty. That takes longer than I thought it will be. The one. Okay. I. I. I will stop the music, mute Discord, or quit Discord. Then I will. I will work on the message for the ChatGPT. Samotnou mechaniku chci v Player GD. To bude posílat signály do HUD a do hotbaru a do inventáře a zobrazovat zbraně. So like this, then what should it do? And so this, and then I already have this. So like and then in the HUD inventory and hotbar, but that's not okay. You can hear me, so that's nice. Core mindset. We want this responsibility split. Why does my computer sound like plain? Steam. Chromium. Okay. Player owns gameplay logic. HUD, mediator, signal router, hotbar, visual representation, representation, of hotbar slots. Inventory visual representation. Of inventory. Slot drag and drop plus displaying item data. Item data, pure data. Player never touches slot nodes. Inventory at hotbar never talk to player directly. Everything flows through signals. Slot design. I I need some thing. Okay. Item change. Item. Huh? Item change. Item activated. Var item. Function set item. This is the slot. How does this work? It doesn't. Okay, it does. Somebody left already. I can understand. So, get drag data. I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody left. Oh, they didn't left. How is this? How is this? Huh? If somebody watches this stream, then you don't watch this stream. I think. Let's see what they write. Set item clear UI input. Hotbar pure UI, no gameplay logic. Hey, is somebody responding or not? Top fans, nobody. Top chat, live chat, nothing. I see you. So, the hotbar, there. Signal slot selected. Ach yeah. Int. Changed. Index. Okay. Int. And then item is item data. Okay. Probably. Export slot count. Makes sense. Export var slot count is 5. And then there will be slot count. That makes sense. Then slot scene, I already have this. Slots. Okay. Var slots array. It's slot. variable selected selected slot is 0. That's index. Then in function ready for e in range slot count, that's this. We can slot item active. Black Dragon. Okay. Five messages, okay. Okay, Steam, I need friends. I do need friends. Okay, how do I open the? Okay. Okay, how do I open? Okay. Now, if you're not bot, if you're bot, if you, if, never mind. So, for E in range slot count, that's what we have. Slot item activated. Oh, okay, I will do the things. Slot item active. Slot, where is slot? There. Signal. Item used. Item changed. Huh? Signal. Wait. Item changed. And the item. And item activated. Item changed. That's swap items. No? Item changed. Item changed. Changed. The item is item data. And item used. That's there. Ambush. Oh, hi. I'm doing right. How about oh, how about you? How about you? Item item changed. Item changed and item activated. I will swap that. Var item data. That's item. Function set item. Item function clear. Set item no. Oh. Function UI input. Item activated. Item activated. Yes. Ah, set item. What's set item? Set item is get direct data, slot texture visible for. No, that's the preview of the drag. On mouse entered, that's the for the tooltip. Drop data. Set item. Set another jak se řekne vyrušení translator vyrušení disturbance. I don't want to use this word for some reason. Okay, set item. I don't think it will. Function set item and the new item and its item data. Then item data item is where is it? Item data. Item data is this function. I have this function already. New item. I need to do this to void, so it just disappears. Item changed emit. I don't need the item changed. I have this already. But I don't know where I do have this. What's this? That's this. Swap items. It swaps the items. That's interesting. I change the I do this extremely complicated. I don't need to do this such complicated. Function clear. Okay, I will just do this, I think. Function clear. Sorry. Set item null. Set item. Set item. Oh, here. New item. Okay. Now. Huh? Item changed emit. Oh, it's not function, it's signal. And it's not in clear function. It's in okay. Item changed dot emit item data. I do this extremely complicated. Void. I thought I already have item data, new item. Is it gonna crash? Oh, not really. Is there some sort of people or just bots? Hotbar. Pure UI, no gameplay logical. So, is there any bots? Are you a bot? That's a question. And you don't have answer for that question. Because I don't know. You aren't here? You left. Ah, sorry. So, signal slot selected. I have it. Item change, slot item changed. I have it. Slot count. I have it. Slot scene. I have it. It just broke my browser. The clicking. Var slots array slot. Okay. Var selected item, selected slot index. Okay. Function ready for e in array. Okay, I am there. Slot dot item changed item activated activated dot connect connect. I can't type. I just can't type. On slot activated dot bind. What does bind do? Don't know really. Slot dot item changed dot connect on slot item changed dot bind e or I add child slots append slots dot append slot. Okay, then the functions select slot 0. Okay, select slot 0. I have the select slot. Huh? Okay. I need to do this bigger. Function select slot. What does it do? It needs the index index, which is an int Indian. If index is greater, no, is smaller than 0 or index, sorry. Okay, I'm here. Or what? Or index is greater or equals greater or equals slots I'm sorry. Return selected index selected index napat Some challenge. Okay. 6 hours a day. Mm-mm. Okay. We have some challenge here. Okay. For I in range. Okay. Select slot. Return selected index. Okay. Selected slot index. Selected slot index. Index is index. And slot selected dot emit index. Index. emit item, function set item, function set item, index. Hmm. I closed Discord, so it won't be bothered, but the same person just types on Steam. I'm sorry, I just need to finish something. Maybe the game. So Is somebody watching this? Just type. Okay. I know who the anonymous watcher viewer is, but that's not so the challenge, that's nice. For don't know how to say it, but the challenge will be that my friend who has no idea how to code games will try to make a game faster than me, and when he will be done, then he will send the game for me to try, and if it will be better the than my game in that time, then and I just forget what I wanted to say because Black Dragon, the friend, just typed something. By the way, do see and hear what? Okay, it works. I just can't multitask. So we can probably uh, translator. Continue. We can continue on what we were doing. I love this. Set item. Item is item, item data. Item data. It will be you to void slots index. I should do something with my key on keyboard. Set item index dot set item item. Wait. Oh. Function select slot on slot and on item. On slot activated. Function on slot activated. We don't need item. Item data index is int. It will be to void and it will be very nice. On slot activated, select slot index. This is complicated. Probably on slot item changed. On slot item changed. Item is item data, and then index is int, and it goes to void slot slot item changed dot emit index item. Whew. Inventory. I think I just broke everything. Okay, there I didn't broke anything. How I just said. I need wait. Okay. Two people. Sorry. I just must laugh. Okay, that was cringe, maybe. Never mind. Inventory. Oh, and I need to. Oh. That was some. Wait, friends. Black Dragon. How do I open? Oh, there. Friends and chat. Okay. Inventory. Also pure UI. No selected index, different layout, same slot scene. Inventory emits. Signal item used. and nothing else? Okay. Okay. HUD. This is the magic. Oh no. HU. Is Black Dragon going to... Okay. Okay. I have some... Jak se řekne přerušení zase? Přerušení. Interruption. I think I have translated this on this stream. Whew. So... Signal, hotbar, hotbar, okay, hotbar, slot selected, index, index, int, signal, hotbar, item, changed, index, int, item data, signal. Signal, inventory, item, used. Oh, I have that. Or I don't. Item used, item data. Now the onReady hotbar and inventory. Okay. Rain. onReady inventory function ready, func ready, funky, sorry, hotbar dot slot selected dot connect function index. What's that? Hotbar item changed. Sorry. Hotbar item changed dot emit index item. What's this? Item not good. Not. Huh? Index on index on index. What did I do? Okay. Okay. Index has no static type. Anonymous lambda has no static. Okay. Void. And index int. Okay. That's what I'll need to do every time. And every time is like 3 times more. Hotbar slot item changed. Okay. I'm sorry again. Slot. That was. I'm just. I'm just. Never mind. Never mind. I don't know how to say it. function function index function index, which is int Indian int, then item, which is item data, then to void hotbar item changed dot emit index item. How does this work? Inventory? Okay, sorry for another how it's said? Přestávka. Break for I'm sorry for another break. Because of another break. So inventory item used connect. Item used connect. I have this. I don't need to do this again. I think. Oh, I just did this. HUD knows everyone but does nothing itself. Okay. Oh, so okay, I have this wrong. On inventory used. I will just do this because I can do this and I can do this and I can do function item data to void inventory item used dot emit item. Okay. By the way, I'm rewriting that from ChatGPT all, but I'm learning on this. Probably. I hope so. Player, gameplay owner. This is where logic lives. Sorry, lives. Now your existing player.gd becomes correct and powerful. That's okay. Okay. I think it is powerful enough. Ah. Okay. This can be in the challenge, like in the game for by the Black Dragon, and I don't want it. Maybe, maybe it's not that. Okay. Player gameplay owner. hotbar storage. Current hotbar index. Hotbar slots. Array. Item data. Now. Okay. Oh, we have. Okay, that's nice. So, what do what are we doing? So, function. Whew. That's not the size equip weapon. Add weapon. Starting weapons. I don't want to. Okay. I was that's not very nice. I'm arachnophobic because that's not how it's said. Never mind. I just wrecked up the entire sentence. Starting web. Huh? Okay. Hmm. Another disturbance. I'm really sorry. I just. Okay. For. For I in range. Okay. Range. Range. What's this? What's this note? Okay. That's a lot of windows. Range. In range 5. Wait, I need to do in range. Okay, that's not very nice. Hotbar slots. dot append null. And then equip weapon. Equip weapon. Where? There. Equip weapon. 0. Equip weapon. I'm sorry. Hotbar slots index if hotbar slot size. Weapon equip. Core logic. Okay. Core logic. I will I will be quiet for a few seconds. Equip weapon. There. Var item. Equip weapon index. Var item is hotbar slots index. Okay. Oh, I can do Control X. Var item, if item is null, then weapon dot unequip, super, unequip, that's not very nice. Return if item is weapon item data, then weapon dot equip item dot weapon data. Okay. Switch weapon. Okay. Direction. Current hotbar index. Index. Okay, what's this? Okay. And then this, which if current hotbar index is less than 0, then it's it just like cycles through HUD dot hotbar dot select slot index, select slot current hotbar index, and then equip weapon current hotbar index. And chat, what do you think? Will this work, or this will not work? What do you think? Chat, what do you think? I said. What do you think? Chat, I said. What do you think? I think this will work only with at least one fatal error, and maybe two. Yes, this I forgot about this. Weapon unequip. Weapon unequip. Sorry. Function unequip. It returns void. What will this do? Why is the ChatGPT like running on my computer? I think it just runs on my computer because the computer makes so much noise. Okay, I will refresh the page. Něco, something something went wrong. Weapon node should stop shooting if no weapon data, not show any sprite, not spawn bullets, reset temporary state. So weapon node exists but is currently represents nothing. What should not be in unequip? Weapon data is null. Sprite.texture. I don't need this. Item activated. Bind AI. AI. EA Sports. Okay, I will do what the ChatGPT says. Sprite dot texture is null. Sprite dot visible visible is false. False. Disable shooting. Reload. Timer. Stop. Bank particles dot emitting. This emitting is false. Shoot on. Okay, I will not do this. Okay, shoot on is true, and equip weapon data icon, sprite visible, sprite dot visible is true. Muzzle position can shoot is true, and shoot on is true. I will not do this because I already have the shoot on for inventory when I open the inventory, and that would mean that when I change in the current hotbar slot, if I will have opened inventory. I will change the hotbar slot to null, and then I will add the weapon back there, and it will just shoot even if I have the inventory opened. And the explanation, just because of the explanation, left to people. So process. Okay. If weapon data is null, then return. And now I have some things to do. That's there. That's there. Oh, item activated. I know what this is. Item activated. Maybe I don't. Item used. Item used. It is. Item used. Where it is. Item used. Control S, and it works! Now. This doesn't work. Selected slot. HUD hotbar. Wait. HUD hotbar. Selected slot. Select slot. Index. Okay, this is more than one. Huh? Item hotbar slots. hotbar slots, stores, huh? Index. Okay. Equip from hotbar. And what's that? Equip weapon. Var item. Okay. Maybe I just need to do this so I can. I think I will fix that maybe off camera. Don't know. Like tomorrow or something like this because it will need some time. So hope you enjoyed. I have 12 views. That's the best got from these type of streams. I like live. And 2 likes. Thanks very much. There is proof. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed and bye. I always say this like the with the another accent or something like this. So bye. Oh, this. Sorry. Bye. Bye. Bye.